Let's break down port forwarding, specifically for port 80 on your Spectrum router. Port forwarding is a technique that allows devices outside your home network to connect to a specific device inside your network, like a web server. Port 80 is the standard port for HTTP, or unencrypted web traffic. Opening this port allows external access to web services hosted on your internal network. To set this up, you'll need to access your Spectrum router's configuration page, typically by entering its IP address, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, into your web browser. The default login credentials are often admin for both username and password, but you should change this immediately for security reasons. Keep in mind that Spectrum has increased security measures, so opening port 80 might require enabling advanced security features or contacting Spectrum support for approval, especially with recent firmware updates. Once logged in, navigate to the Port Forwarding or NAT Gaming section, which is often found under Advanced Setup. Create a new rule specifying TCP as the protocol, 80 as both the external and internal port. Then enter the internal IP address of the device hosting the web service, e.g. 192.168.0.100. This IP should be statically assigned to prevent it from changing. Finally, enable the rule and save your settings. To check if it works, use an online port checker tool from outside your network. Remember, opening port 80 exposes your network to security risks like DDoS attacks. Consider using HTTPS on port 443 for secure encrypted traffic instead, or a VPN. Experts recommend caution and suggest alternatives like SSH tunneling for secure remote access. Statistics show that a significant percentage of breaches involve open ports like 80.